channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for watching my video. Please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to have you a part of the channel. Also, click the post notification bell. That way you are notified every time I upload a video. Current subscribers, welcome back. If you've seen my face before, welcome back. So today, this is just an unboxing video of one of my Amazon Prime purchases that just arrived today. So I just wanted to share it with you. That's all. This is the Chefman Turbofry 8-quart air fryer. So let me just take it out it is pretty big, okay? I don't know what I was expecting, but it is huge. So I'm gonna lift it up so you can see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. Let me see if I can try to plug it up. Give me a second. Hopefully everybody is doing good today. I bought this big because you know, you can like cook like you know, like a whole chicken or whatnot. So I just want to try before I plug it up, it came with this piece right here that goes in. Let me see. I'll take this tape off. This was on sale on Amazon Prime Day for $69. So that was a steal. It's an 8-quart and it's part stainless steel. So like, yeah. Let me just take this other. There may be stuff inside of it. I don't know. But no, just the warranty or whatnot. So I'll show you what the inside of it looks like. It's just, you can see the fan at the top. So that's what the inside of it looks like. And this is how big the basket is. So it's pretty huge. And then it came with this. So I will take this out. I believe it came, they had it in a 4.2, 5, I believe 4.2, 5.7. I believe it came in a 6. Hold on, let me see how this goes in here. 1 second. Okay. So So it goes like that, just so you can see it. It also came with 2 user guides, but I don't know what came with the ship, but it also came with bonus liners. With 10 bonus liners, like parchment liners. And then it has a little, you know, scanner that you can like order more. But I actually ordered a silicone tray. That way the inside doesn't get as dirty or whatnot. So that's personally what I ordered for it. But I will test these out inside of it just to see how well they work. And then I believe this bigger booklet may have had, like, let me see. You know, it has like the regular stuff, but I could have swore it came with well, let me just plug it up so you can see. I could have like stopped it and started it back, but I didn't want to do that, so. Now, some of the reviews I've seen, I believe they said, like, for the first time, it had, like, a smell to it. But I'm gonna, like, slide this in. Let's see. Okay, so as you can see, it's like digital. You can pick like favorite. It already has bacon, nuggets, veggies, fries, and then it has another favorite. Start, stop. You can set the temperature, the time, and all of that. So I just wanted you to see like the screen of what it actually looks like. But yeah, so like, you know what I mean, like if you normally cook something on 375, I guess, like, you know, chicken or whatever, like you can automatically put that as one of your favorites. And it actually has 2 spots for favorites. So this is really, really nice. I think I'm going to enjoy this a lot. When I do first use it, I will do an actual video on it. This will sit in my corner because it's so big it won't fit on my kitchen counter, because it's too massive and I don't have enough counter space. So most likely when I use it, I will actually record from like right here. I may season it in my kitchen, but once I like kind of like come to like put it like in the air fryer, I'll show you like how I prepare it and what it turns out looking like. I really hope you all enjoyed this unboxing video. If so, leave your girl a comment, leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and until the next video, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.